So good day everyone. In today's video, we're going to create a partition in file system. So first, we're going to a file manager, and in the lower left side of this file manager, we can see this PC and click. After clicking this PC, you can see there is no other partition, and it's only the Acer C that has 388 gigabytes free. So we're about to create a partition to put here. In creating partition, next is we're going to run a disk mgmt.msc. So after typing this command, we're going to click OK. After clicking OK, we're going to see these three same here at the top. So this Acer C that has the most gigabytes, we're going to right click and select shrink volume. So after clicking shrink volume, querying shrink space. This may take time, so we're going to wait. So after it loads, you can see the total size, the size of available, and the amount and the total size after the shrink. So I want to make a 5 gigabytes, so it is equivalent to 5,000 megabytes. So after entering the amount of space, we have to click the shrink. So as you can see, there is an unallocated here. So after shrinking, we have to right click again and click this new simple volume. After clicking the new simple volume, it will appear the welcome to the new simple volume wizard. So after reading this, we can click the next. We can leave this behind and click next. So in this side, we can select any letter that you want for your partition. So I will leave it D. So click next. After clicking next, we can see the format of partition. So the file system is already in NTFS. So we're going to leave it behind. So we're going to click next. After completing the new simple volume, this is the term where you successfully completed the new simple volume wizard. So after reading this, you can leave this behind and click finish. So as you can see, there is a new volume D, a basic data partition. So we have to check if there is really a new partition in our file explorer. So here in our file explorer, in the lower side, in this PC, as you can see, there is new partition that we have created. So that's all, and thank you.